Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing this automatic feeder from Amazon. This is for 2 cats. I'm gonna put the link down in the description box, but let's go ahead and unbox it. And I got this on sale when it was $79. I think full price it's $89, so I saved like $10. User manual. So this is how it dispenses. It's supposed to get connected like that. This part. Yeah, so this is what the inside looks like. The back, what's this? I guess you could take this whole part off if anything gets stuck. You can put batteries in it, but there's also the wall plug. I'm just following the instructions on here. I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up. I'm not gonna fill it up all the way because I'm testing it out. Okay. Even though the screen looks like it's off, it is on. Like if I press a button, it'll light up. So I'm going to quickly do an explanation to how to set this up in a very quick way. It took me a long time to figure it out because the instruction manual was kind of confusing and there were no tutorials online for this specific model. I kind of just had to read the reviews and kind of just play around with it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is set your current time. So you're going to press and hold on this clock button for 3 seconds. And then it's gonna prompt you to changing hour and minutes. Let me zoom in for you guys. You can see right now it says 12:38 a.m., which is the current time here. The 2 clock buttons will function as hour and minutes. So the way you're gonna set your time is going to be like how you're setting your car, stovetop, or microwave. When you're done and it's the correct time, just don't press anything and it will automatically set. Once you do that, you're gonna wanna set up your meals for your animal. You wanna click meal. You can see this machine has a capability of feeding up to 6 times. I have 2 cats, that's why I have 2 bowls. My cat, one is a little bit overweight, the other one is a normal size. So I believe for the first meal, I'm gonna put 5 portions. You cannot have this functioning if you don't record an audio. To do that, you're gonna wanna press and hold on the microphone button for about, I think 3 seconds, 3 or 10 seconds. You have to look at the manual. Let me just double check for you guys. Yep, so you're gonna wanna press and hold on that button for 3 seconds, and then it will allow you to keep recording. The button, this little light will turn red when you press and hold for 3 seconds. You're gonna wanna continuously hold on to it, like press and hold onto the button until you're done recording. I recorded little bird noises from YouTube, but you can just leave it for like no noise, because each time the feeder will come out, I think it's gonna make that noise. So if you don't want anything too loud, just don't say anything and just press and record a little short audio. So that was a quick rundown of how I set this up. And to manually pour it, to let it come down, you want to press and hold on this button for 3 seconds. So I'll show you guys how it looks like. That is one portion, and the portions have to, you have to kind of, it's confusing because the portion depends on the size of the kibble. So there's a lot of conversion, and I don't even know the size of this kibble. This is from Kirkland, the healthy weight kibbles from Costco. So if you guys have that, I'll show you what one portion looks like. So I'm gonna empty this in here. Oops. So this is what one portion looks like. Hand for reference. Let's see what 4 portions look like.